All right, hello traders. SPTD here. Let's do a quick review on what happened on GBPUSD between yesterday and today, this morning. Um, all right, let's see. So as we based on our last analysis during the weekend, we say we are in a clear sell trend while um all the lows are being taken. All the lows have been taken. So as market opens on Sunday through Monday, I was watching carefully. Um, Switch to H4. Now, this is what price did on Monday. Let me clear this. Let me clear this. All right. So this is what price did on Monday. When we stopped here on Friday, this is where price closes on Friday at this top here. So when market opens, it traded down up to this price level, filled all the imbalances here, then price push up. When price push up here, and then price came down, formed a low here, then it fails to push higher again. It fails to push higher than the last high. Okay, so and then we now saw a rush to the downside. Immediately I see this push to the downside, I switch to H1 to see whether I can get an entry. Um, so uh, this is what happened. Good, very good. So slightly, as we can see here is the ranging. So this was the last low. This is the last higher low because price is tracing up. This was our last swing lower high here. So putting here in mind now, immediately I saw this push up, came down, fell swing, then broke this particular low here. When price broke this particular low here, I just waited for price to push up to discount zone to premium zone because it's in a sell trend. You can use FIP, you can use any tool, any tool you use to enter to get your entry. As you can see, price push even close to 100%. So when I saw that, I now got my entry. I think my entry was somewhere around at the close of this candle here. So as we can see, if you entered here, here at the close of this candle, put your high stop loss here around 14 pips. You can target this low, 43 pips, or target this of around double bottom, which I did. And eventually this morning it got the TP got hit. This is around 68 pips. You're risking 14, I risk 14 to get 68 pips. So this is a clear setup, based on our own weekend analysis. So and for the remaining of the week, let me give a quick, simple and fast cap. For the remaining days of the week, I'll be patient. I'll wait for something like this to happen. Price have already moved a little bit significantly, like from this high down to this high is more than 100 pips, and even from the last swing here to this low is 75 pips. So I will look for discount. I have a small fair value gap here. I would like to see price come and I feel it. Then from there, retraced to let's see, retraced to somewhere, from 50% retracement. And then I'll look for short to continue the sell trend. There is no point buying, no point following share trading retracements. Just be patient and wait for the setup. Be patient and wait for the setup. I think that is all. So, but one important thing is I'm looking at this zone 23,500 to 22,500. Maybe 22,500 for price to reach before it can retrace a little bit and then continue the sell trend. But for now, this is what I'm looking for. This is what I'm waiting for. This is my last swing lower high. So price came down. Then I'm waiting for retracement. Then target the sell side liquidity again, which is resting here. Okay. All right, guys. All right, I think let's keep our fingers crossed and see how it unfolds. For now, I'll just leave my system and yeah, I'll just leave it like this. Then go about with my other duties and see how it goes. All right, that's all for now. Thank you.